Hello and welcome to another update video about Natgas. So with Natgas we have a possible bottom forming. It is not guaranteed though, and it's only a very first signal, but it's probably the best signal that we've got so far in this whole downtrend that started around $7, that here finally some kind of a bottom is forming. However, at the moment the move up looks fairly corrective. It is now all going to be decided in this current retracement to the downside. So for me, it's a bit like, all right, we've got this move here to the upside. As long as we're now holding the 396 level, which is the 78.6. Oh, let me just double check that. We want to do it correctly and accurately. It's the 367 level, which is the 78.6% retrace. So if we come down to that level now, yeah, and we break it, then I think we have a good chance of dropping even lower below 355 and to continue the downtrend. But this is the area where it now needs to hold. It's already in that area between the 50% and the 78.6 retrace for a reversal. Yeah, in my experience, 90% of cases roughly, if we break below the 78.6 retrace, this trend reversal, this possible reversal is not going to work out. Okay, so this could surely now be a first move to the upside. Yeah, bear in mind we're still looking here at a possible wave 4 to the upside. As soon as we get a bit more data, I will update that. But the thing is, if I go to the 30-minute chart, the move that occurred here to the upside, to me, looks like a 3-wave move. So it looks corrective. But the thing is, we broke out of the channel, which is sort of a bullish move. Now, we don't want to talk about bullishness necessarily because it would all be embedded still in a larger downtrend. So I don't at the moment envision that the Natgas low is already in, but what we can expect is some kind of upside here. I've been waiting for that already, but we've never had a signal really to turn around. But this is the first one that we have. Bear in mind, we haven't really made it above this high, which is at 426. That would be quite important in my opinion, because this is a significant swing high, and so far we haven't really broken any previous swing high. And really only you're changing the trend as soon as either, as per Elliott wave, when we have 5 waves up. Now I don't really have 5 waves up, I only have 3 up. Either if we have 5 waves up and 3 down, or if we at least make a higher high and a higher low, and that would be getting above 426. So at the moment I'd still be a bit careful. One way of trading this is of course to go long in this area and to set a stop loss below the 78.6 retrace. Sometimes we have a wick below it, so consider that. Now that's not financial advice, but that is a possible way of trading it. But only if you want to trade it, because in my opinion it would only be embedded in a larger downtrend. So what you would do here if you were going long, you're just trading against the higher level trend. So bear in mind you will face headwinds when you're doing that. So what could certainly be is that we've seen here, because it's a 3-wave move up, that this was only an A wave to the upside. We would now see a B wave down and would still get a C wave up. Saying that, if it's a B wave, it could, it's unlikely, but it could easily go below that level as well and still go up. That's the unfortunate situation with B waves, but you know, it's all about likelihoods, right? But this is a certain possibility, A, B, C, and then we could move up here in the C wave, push a bit higher. That would be impulsive as well, and that could complete the wave 4. That's certainly a possibility now that we've got. Trading a C wave is of course also possible as per the Elliott wave method. It's an impulse usually. So if we really trend reverse in this green area, it should be quite an impulsive move to the upside. What could we expect? Let's say the low is in. It's not guaranteed here, but let's say the low is in. What would we expect in terms of the performance of that wave 4? We'd be looking at least at the 23.6 retracement at 433 overall, yeah, for that ABC pattern. More ideally 482, that would be the 38.2 retracement, and not higher than $5, which is the wave 1 low here. Okay, so that's sort of what we're looking at the moment. I will closely observe that. I'm following that with high interest. I mean, this chart is so bearish that hopefully we finally put a little bit of upside in so that it can continue the downtrend afterwards. Why am I so bearish on Natgas? Well, first of all, I've been bearish for the last few months, and I think it worked out nicely so far. I don't see a higher level trend reversal yet. We are, however, quite oversold down here. So we're looking at some more upside short term. But if we look at the long-term chart, for example, the monthly MACD, we have now a huge red candle on the monthly, which indicates the strong downside momentum here. And that not only the candles, and this is still increasing. So it's more like the MACD line. I mean, Bitcoin did something similar back in March. And look at where we are now, right? I mean, this can still drop another 30, 40, 50% from here, in my opinion. It's a highly volatile asset. So it's very interesting to see now what happens on the lower time frame. My view would be, obviously, as long as we're holding the green area that we're now turning around, it's not highly reliable because only 3 waves up, in my opinion. But certainly something to track and to observe. And this is the best signal we've had so far for a bottom signal. Okay. That's my update for Natgas. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.